Step 1. Take the long buckle strap and a 1/4 inch rivet. Push the rivet and washer through the single hole on the end. Side doesn't matter. Then apply the rivet tool. Then set aside. Step 2. Take the shield and a short strap and rivet the 3 inside holes with 1/8 inch rivet. Start with the center middle hole. The long part of the rivet should be placed on the clear face mask side with a washer on the other end. Then apply the rivet tool. Step 3. Do the same with the other 2 holes on the ends of the mask with a 1/8 inch rivet with washers. It should come out looking like this. Step 4. Take the buckle and line the inside holes of the buckle with the holes on the face mask. Make sure the rivet on the buckle is positioned pointing upward or away from the wearer's face. Step 5. Rivet the holes together with a 1/8 inch rivet and washer. Insert through the bottom holes from the wearer's side with a washer on the outside. Then apply the rivet tool. This is how the buckle attaches to the face shield. Step 6. You will need to bend the mask to line up with the other rivet holes. Line them up and rivet them with washers on the outside of the mask. At this point, run your fingers on the inside of the band to make sure that it is smooth and the washers are on the outside of the shield. It is complete.